Hello teachers, I am recording this video just to make you understand how to make the collaborator of your Google form. I am taking this Google form from my drive. Open this. When you open the Google form, you will see these three dots here. When I tap on these three dots, there is an option add collaborators. Add collaborators. Now it is asking me to select the mail ID or type the mail ID of the person with whom I want to share the form. So type here, or it can show you the list if you have previously shared with someone. So I am writing the mail ID. This is another mail ID I am sharing with this. Now it is giving me the option editor. Yes, if I want to give some special message to the person, you can type the message here. It is showing my form here, and last thing you have to do is the send. It is sending the form to the person here, and you will get the message person added once the your form has been shared with another person in the mail ID. Now the next thing is you have to check or the other person will check whether he has got or she has got the mail or not. So let's check that. I'm checking in my mail ID. See, Mamta P, unit test English 2 invitation to edit. Open this. It is asking me open in forms. Okay, I open in forms. Now see, again you have to go to three dots. All the major options are given in the three dots. Click on these three dots. Now it is giving the option make a copy. I am going to make a copy. You can see here the form shared had responses 340. This form was shared with me, and now it has made copy of UT1. So I can give name with my choice here. I will make it only the UT1 or trial 1 or anything you want. So this is a name set now. Copy document, name has been given. Okay. Now once the copy is made, you will see this is a fresh copy. There will be no responses at all. So you can use the link of this form to your classes to get the response individually with you only. See, if I check the responses, there are 0 responses. Now if you see share the link sharing, you all know how to share the link of your form. Everybody knows there. So you have to share the link to the students. Go to settings. If you want to make changes to the settings, I think everybody knows, limit to 1 response. Then for this is the general setting. Then we have presentation. This is generally not required. If you want to give a special message after the exam, like thank you or well done or all the best for rest of the exam, or whatever you want the message to be given, you can write here. And the third type of setting is quizzes. In this you can decide whether you want to make the children view score just after the exam or you want to show it later on. So these are the settings can be done by the newly made or the copy form. Now save. So now you are ready to share. This is used to this forward arrow is used to share this. If I click on this, now a link will be generated here. You copy this link and paste it to your class group individually in your sections. That way you will get responses of your sections added to your form. So this is the way it can be done. Thank you teachers.